I like to tell people I left 25 years working for the majors because I believed in this portfolio. Hi, this is Alastair, CEO of Gold Mining Inc., here to tell you a compelling story about our company. Gold Mining Inc. has a number of projects entirely within the Americas. In fact, we have over 16 million gold equivalent ounces in the measured and indicated categories, and a further 16 million ounces gold equivalent in the inferred category. Makes us stand apart from any of our peers in the size of the resources and where they are located. Gold mining has been very busy during the downturn in the cycle, and I think we're near the bottom of that cycle. We've been acquiring projects for 10 years. It's really now about unlocking value in those projects. And myself, I'd worked almost 25 years for major operating companies, managing their junior portfolios as well as operations, project construction. When I was given the opportunity to look at this portfolio that Gold Mining has assembled, I became very enthused by it. I saw a lot of opportunity there. Currently, we are undervalued. Currently receiving about $3 per ounce valuation on those resources. We've begun the task of unlocking that value and delivering it right to our shareholders. Gold Royalty Corporation. That was a spin-out created last year. We raised $90 million on the New York Stock Exchange from royalties created from within our portfolio. That endorsement of our portfolio showed the strength that we have. Now even pays us dividend income, some $1 million for our company, which helps fund the next stage of growth. We own over 20 million shares in that company. Like today, gives us almost $70 million on our balance sheet to further unlock value. So the next component of our portfolio is likely to be US Gold Mining Inc., set to be launched with an IPO this fall. We've already brought in an experienced explorationist and CEO who has several decades of experience developing and advancing projects all over the world, and especially in the north. Knows the northern latitudes very well. So an experienced team. We've put a board together, very focused on the ESG issues, environmental issues, working with the stakeholders. The gold mining shareholders will be the largest shareholders in that company. It's entirely US based. It's in Alaska, got gold and copper, hasn't been touched by exploration in over 10 years. Next in that portfolio could be our Rhea Uranium Project. It's something many people don't even know that we have a surplus uranium project in our portfolio. It's within the Athabasca Basin in Alberta. It's one of the highest grade uranium camps in the entire world. But for the right uranium company, that's another value enhancing spin-out opportunity we see ahead of us. There also are a number of opportunities to unlock value by forming partnerships and doing transactions where we find partners to advance our projects. Just last quarter, we announced a great return on our project, our Almaden project in Idaho. We brought in a new experienced partner in the district, managed to obtain a 16 times return on our investment within 2 years of acquiring it. So a good return on something that really accounted for only 3% of our resources. We think that's a great example of how we can find partners to also advance our projects beyond just putting things into new entities. We've now started the process of drilling our projects, unlocking value by putting boots on the ground to show that these resources valued at $3 an ounce are highly undervalued. Our peer comparison is probably closer to $40 per ounce. So there's a huge opportunity there. And our first ever drilling program is underway now. We've just started announcing results. The first of those results was almost 350 meters at 0.74 grams per ton gold equivalent at our Lamina project in Colombia. So in summary, there's a number of important steps coming up for Gold Mining Inc. We've talked about value enhancing initiatives, and every one of our steps will continue down that pathway, including with the upcoming and pending public launch of US Gold Mining Inc. to launch our Whistler project, gold copper project in Alaska. We will continue to announce drill results, a very exciting and value enhancing drill program on our Lamina project in Colombia. That drilling has just wrapped up, results to come on that. First time that project has been drilled in over 10 years. And other catalysts just around the corner. We had one spin out last quarter to one of our projects in Idaho. We unlocked over 16 times the value we acquired the property for. An important step. We will be looking for other value enhancing lockouts. And don't forget about our uranium project, not core to us, but certainly an attractive portfolio of land within one of the highest grade uranium camps in the world. So lots of important steps coming up. Look forward to providing future updates in the near future.